We have got the 7th annual Tour de Mount Vernon. It's our beautiful bike ride on a gorgeous day with several hundred riders, and we're going to tour the Mount Vernon District, some beautiful parts of it. We've found a huge upwelling of support as people get a chance to get outdoors, connect, socialize, have a little fun, as well as, just be on a beautiful ride and get to see sights that they may not otherwise have seen before.
We ride every week, and with the weather like this, we thought we'd get out, enjoy the fresh air, and try some new trails.
We're looking forward to a great ride and beautiful weather with like-minded folks who like to ride bikes. It brings the community together. We travel through the community, so it's very important.
I think it's super important for people to learn that there are bikes on the road and to be aware of them and to get out and have fun riding on all the trails we have available to us.
My favorite part today is really the energy that comes from folks being here and just connecting up and frankly coming to the Workhouse for the first time. I mean, a lot of folks, they've not been here before, and this is an amazing place with more than 100 artists and a museum and performance art, and you name it, it's really here.
Getting together with people and enjoying the good weather. It's fall and it's a perfect day, so you can't beat it. It's a 10.